Every day, our colleagues enter job sites with one goal: to do the job safely and return home safe. But safety is not just about experience or speed. It is about the decisions we make, especially when something does not feel right. Every time we have to ensure zero gaps in the hoistway openings. When work continues without full control of the environment, risk becomes unpredictable. Team proceeded with concern regarding the hoistway opening. Safety is not automatic. Safety depends on the choices we make. The right decision is to stop. Stop when conditions are not fully secured. Stop when other trades are exposed to the same risk. Stop until the hazard is removed. This is stop work authority. Work resumes only after risks are eliminated and conditions are verified safe.
Many incidents are shaped by the decisions that we make during the day at the course of our work. And I know that sometimes it's not easy. Sometimes you have distractions, someone calls you, a customer wants to talk to you, and when you resume your work, you need to reassess again if everything is in conditions for you to work properly and that you resume the work at the step of security that you are doing. So this is very important. And sometimes small things like a simple opening in the hoistway can lead to a fall of objects or even to a fatality, and we need to care about all these details. So safety is important for you as an individual, but also for your families that are waiting for you every day.